right. Good evening, Iggy. I look awful yellow. I hope you have heard the song They Call Me Mellow Yellow by Donovan Leitch. He also did Sunshine Superman. How are you, Iggy? Guess what? It's Grampy Moser, Grampy Reggie, and guess what? Your mom loves you, your dad loves you, and you know what? Clifford loves you, and Grandpa Brian loves you, and Grandma Laurie loves you, and Grandma Barbara loves you, and all the grandpas and grandmas and the aunts and the uncles and the cousins and the sisters and the brothers love Iggy. And you know why? Because you always display a awesome smile. Now, I got a book here that I found in the box down the street. That's a library box on a pole that people put books in when they're done reading, and they pass them on, and guys like me go down the street, and I look in the box, open the door with a glass frame, and then there's all these books, and I found this one, and it's called What's That Noise? Uh-oh, what is that noise? So I thought I'd start off with a little bit of this first. I'll play this line I wrote for a special song that I like called But for the Grace of God, and it goes like this. That's noise, but it's pretty noise because it's music. Okay, enough music. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. There's also a band called the Nitty Gritty Dirt Band. But this isn't about dirt, this is about noise. So let's explore this wonderful book, Iggy, and see what it's all about. I think it's a pretty quick reader. It says, everything is quiet when Amy gets up early in the morning. Mom and Dad are fast asleep. Bring, bring, bring goes the alarm. That's the alarm clock ringing. Everyone is awake now. Maybe that happens at your house with your mom and your dad. And it says, Dad helps Amy to make coffee for Mom. How will Amy know when the water is hot? Oh, wee! The kettle whistles when the water boils. I know a fella that has gone to the Whistling Jack Smith School of Professional Whistlers, and he whistles so well that he can go... Have you ever learned how to whistle yet, Iggy? You might like whistling. Now there's the kettle on the stove and Amy and the cat. Oh, that's a little baby brother. Oh, that must be Iggy right there. Yeah, Iggy. Yeah, right there. Oh, okay. You have a sister named Amy, Iggy? Up the stairs they go. Mom will hear the cups rattling. Watch that cat. Wait a minute, you got a dog named Clifford. Screech! Dad has stepped on her tail. Is she all right? Is she all right, the cat? Here comes the postman. Has he brought anything today? Yes, he's knocking on the door. Knock, knock, knock. Ben barks when people come to the door. Woof, woof. What a lot of noise. Well, they got a dog named Ben. And you got a dog named Clifford. Okay, we're moving right along here. Mom and Amy do the washing. In go the clothes. Shut the door and put in the soap. switch it on, swoosh, round and round it goes. Do you know when your dad or your mom take a ride in the car, there's four wheels, and they go round and round and round until the car stops. And then sometimes they go backwards if they go in reverse. Blow it up some more. She got a balloon. Here's a lovely balloon. How big will it go? Guess what? It pops and it goes pop. Oh dear, the balloon has burst. Just a little bit bigger. Boom. What can Amy play with while Dad reads to Jack? This should be good. I think it'll be great. Amy's a drummer. Bang, bang, bang. And then it says, Amy likes to play with soap in the bathtub. Hey, when you take a bath, Iggy, do you play with the soap? You can push it in your fingers and it pops out. And it's very slippery. Whoops, where has it gone? There's a boat. There's a boat right there. Little boat. Yeah, right there. Let's see. Oh, there we go. And splash. Now she'll never find it. Amy will never find the boat. It's bedtime. Time to go to sleep. Amy has to be very quiet so she won't wake Jack. Shh. Good night. And then it got extra noises. Bring from an alarm clock. Wee from a kettle. Knock, knock. And a woof, woof from a dog. And a screech from a cat. A meow. And then a swoosh from a washing machine. And a from a dryer. And a pop from a balloon. And a bang from a drum. And a splash from a duck. And shh. Wow. What a book. I love this book. What's that noise? Yeah. Okay, before I leave, I'll give you just a little more, another challenge and a little bit of torture from Grampy on the guitar here. And well, we don't want to ruin your day, but we want to brighten your spirit. So what we're going to do here is go, waiter, waiter, percolator. Wait a minute. Waiter, waiter, percolator. I forgot our chords. We'll do this instead. Good night, Iggy. Iggy, always remember that Mommy loves you, Daddy loves you, Clifford loves you, Grampy loves you, all the nanas and Grampies and the uncles and the aunts in Iggy's life love him because he smiles. And the smile song is... I love you, Iggy. Remember, what's that noise? Signing off. Love, Grampy. Bye-bye. It's Sunday night, and I'm going to bed early, I think. I don't know if my brain will let me. Good night.